How exactly does negative money mindset impact my wealth? I have a really good salary. I don't have any loans on my head. I get rental income. I also have investments which are making me enough money and giving me good returns. Why should I worry about negative money mindset? Yes, I worry a little before I spend, but so does everybody. Does negative money mindset actually impact my wealth? If this is a question that you completely related with to a very good extent or to a little extent, or if you're just confused about how exactly does negative money mindset impact your wealth, you are at the right place. Hello and namaste. I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated to you and your financial freedom. On this channel, I make 10 videos a month. Basically, if the date on your calendar is divisible by 3, you'll find a video by me. So in these videos, I talk to you about how can you grow your wealth, how can you identify your money mindset, how can you deal with the negative money mindset if you have a negative money mindset, how can you strengthen your money mindset to make it more positive. If these are the topics that you think are going to add value to your life, may I please request you to subscribe to the channel right now. So what exactly is the impact of negative money mindset on somebody's wealth and life? To explain this to you, let me give you an example. Imagine a water pipe. Now imagine this water pipe is completely clogged with filth and dirt and mud on the corners of the pipe. What do you think is going to be the impact and the force and the quantity of water that flows through this pipe? At the same time, now imagine the same pipe, it's absolutely cleaned. Now what would be the force of water that flows through this pipe? What would be the impact of water that is flowing through the pipe? What would be the quantity of water that flows through this pipe? The analogy between the water pipe and negative money mindset, the impact is similar. If your mindset about money is negative, it acts like the filth and the mud between on the walls of the pipe. The moment you clean that money mindset, the moment you make it positive, the moment your money mindset is strengthened, the amount of wealth that enters your life, the way you deal with money in your life completely changes. Money is not just about growing. There are multiple aspects to money related transactions that happen in your life. The way you earn your money, the way you save your money, the way you grow your money via investments, and the way you spend your money. There are multiple aspects about money that you need to take care of. So the moment you have the mindset with regards to your money completely sorted, you will find improvement in all of these areas. I agree, you may have like a really good source of income coming to you. You are getting a really good paycheck at the end of the month every month. But wouldn't you actually want a better life? Wouldn't the quality of your life improve if you make more wealth? If you make more wealth easily, happily, that's what a positive money mindset can do. Also, there's multiple people who are facing problems in other aspects of their life because their mindset towards money is not in place. Let me give you an example. There are so many couples who come to me and tell me about the problems in their relationship, which is boiling down to the whole difference in mindset about money, spending, investing between the couple. I know of a couple who were almost on the verge of splitting, who are now very happily continuing the relationship together after they've gone through this whole exercise of aligning their relationship and their money mindset. Money is one of the easiest and the most tangible forms of energy in our lives. If we regulate our money, if we know how does money impact our lives, how much of the impact is actually being given to money to play around in our lives will completely change and shift. If you identify with this, please give this video a like, because there are not many people who understand the impact of money in their life. Even if they do, they don't know what to do about the whole incoherence of how they would like to deal with their money and how is their money actually controlling them. If you know of somebody who is going through a similar situation, please do them a favor by sharing this video with them. If you know of a couple who always keeps bickering with each other over money related issues, please share this video with them. If you know of a friend or a colleague who always creates a problem when it comes to splitting the bill, and he or she does not want to pay that a little bit extra, please share this video with them. They may not appreciate it, but they'll identify that this is a problem in their life, and that is the purpose of you sharing this video with them, because you care about them. Eventually they'll understand. And for you, if you really want to know how can you strengthen your money mindset, what can you do about it, I would request you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, because in the following 2 videos, I'm going to talk to you about how do you strengthen your money mindset and how can money mindset be strengthened quickly. In the meanwhile, I'm sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you haven't, do so right now. You may also check our Facebook group. The community is growing. We are already at almost 1500 people in the group by now. By the time this video comes up, who knows, we would have already crossed a particular that number by miles. The idea is do something about your money all the time. That's all what I keep saying in my videos. And if I can help you in any way, please do not forget to add a comment below. I'll be reading all the comments. I'll be replying to comments. You can also just keep the interaction going, and I hope this video has added some value to your life. If you've liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it on all the social media channels. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching.